Okay, today we'll see integration of purchase units with company code, material types, uh, um, material groups, numbering range, and we'll also look at purchasing configuration, very important. And let's see. Okay, SPRO configuration, enterprise structure, assignment, assign company code to company. These are some very essential settings that we need for ST61. ST61 is attached to company. ST61. Okay, this is done. Okay, and logistics, assign plant to company code. ST61. Okay, so company code ST61 is controlling plant ST61. Okay. Materials management, assign purchase org to company code. We can assign purchase org to company code and plant at the same time. Okay. ST6. ST61. Okay, ST61 will have ST61. Okay, save. Save. Okay. This is done. Assign purchasing organization to plant. So we can assign both to company code and plant at the same time. New entries. ST61. ST61. Save. Okay, this is also done. Next, we want to see if in definition in sales and distribution have we made ST61 or not. ST61 is not made. New entries, ST61. Check. Save. AED, okay, purchase organization is ST61, plant is XT61, SD61. Do we have it? Purchasing group. See. It's not there.